Good morning. Just about 7:15 on this Thursday. Very different view from a few hours ago here at Carmel by the Sea. Some fluffy storm clouds still remain, but it is no longer raining. However, the rain will return this afternoon, and it will return with a bit of a force. But for now, here's a recap of what we've seen on the radar the past couple of hours. You can see we had some widespread moderate showers during the hour of about 5 a.m. They have since moved further east and really tapered off for much of Monterey County and San Benito County. Really all that remains is a few lighter showers for parts of Santa Clara and northern Santa Cruz County. But again, that rain, it will return later today. So we're going to see some stormy weather, bouts of heavy rain really into tomorrow morning, along with some cool and gusty winds. We had warmer morning temperatures this morning, but it certainly didn't feel like it with those kind of gusty winds out of the south. Now we also have some potentially severe impacts out of this system that we will see this afternoon. So we'll go ahead and detail those now. Now what might catch your eye immediately is that we have tornadoes on here. So it is very unlikely, I'll go ahead and put it out there right away, that it is very unlikely that we will see tornadoes or waterspouts. The probability is very, very little. However, it is not quite zero. Therefore, we do still have to let you know that it's a possibility. The reason that we could see this is just because into the afternoon, when our temperatures warm up ever so slightly, it's going to add some instability to our atmosphere. And when we get that lift, that instability, sometimes the air has the tendency to rotate. So of course, that's what gives us those types of weather phenomena. Again, very little chance, but do make sure that you have a reliable way of getting weather updates today, whether that's on your phone, make sure those notifications are on, or just tune in to Dan's forecast tonight, because you'll want to know if there is a watch or warning issued. Now, there's a slight probability that we could see lightning strikes along with those storms this afternoon. It's not looking extremely likely at this time, but you could see it. The good news is our fire danger isn't particularly elevated at this time, just with all of the moisture that we're getting today. So it could be something that we see, not necessarily something that we need to be extremely worried about. The two things that we will probably see though this afternoon are some isolated downpours. So we're going to see a lot of cells this afternoon, and a lot of those are just going to pour some rain down on a kind of a smaller chunk of the area for a short time. And within those downpours, we could see, I do think we will see really, some small hail, probably just about pea-sized, nothing that'll do damage, but it will make the roads a little bit slick. So something to take note of. You can see Futurecast around 1 p.m. That's when the rain will start to return. You'll have patches of some moderate rainfall, but the real cells kind of arrive closer to dinner time. So late afternoon, early evening, 4 p.m. This is what's showing right now. These are the cells. These are the storms that have that slight risk of a tornado or water spout. So this is the period of time this afternoon that we're going to be watching very closely, and we will have periods of some heavier rainfall this afternoon. So if you're headed home from work around 5-6 p.m., you'll be dealing with some wet roadways, some potential ponding on the roads, and if there's hail, it will also be slick. Overnight tonight, again, some scattered, isolated showers. Really, you'll probably be able to sleep through it. It's not going to be anything major, and then we will get, we will get, lots to talk about this morning, we will get another wave of rainfall tomorrow right around 6-7 a.m. So again, as you're headed out the door for a commute, those roads will probably be wet yet again. But after that, we're going to start to clear out in time for your weekend. So your Friday evening looks relatively clear, might still be a little bit cool and windy, but we certainly will warm up this weekend, particularly for inland spots. Today though, some areas don't even make it out of the 50s. That's for your highs. High of 59 in the Pinnacles. We've got a nice 64 here in Salinas, low 60s for much of the immediate coast, 62 in Monterey, high 50s for Santa Cruz and Boulder Creek today, high 50s for Big Sur as well. And as we head into the next 7 days, again, if you're not liking the rain, we will see some changes. So by Friday afternoon, we should be very clear. Saturday, even more so. And then Sunday, mid to higher 60s at the coast with some extra sunshine. We don't really see much change over the next 7 days at the coast, at least after Saturday. It's just going to be today and tomorrow morning that are especially active in terms of thunderstorms and potentially severe weather. Then for inland areas, the change here is a little bit more dramatic. So today, even inland, we're very below average. We don't make it out of the lower 60s, but by Saturday, it's a 10-degree difference there from today to Saturday, 71 on average. And then Sunday, we're going to be in the high 70s. Same with Monday. So sunny conditions and even some 80s on the map. So again, we will warm up in the days to come. For now, stay safe, stay dry, and make sure you stay tuned to the forecast. Have a great day.